Gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to the North Norfolk Railway and to our Rails and Ales event, part of our 50th anniversary celebrations. A huge thank you to Cromer and Sheringham Brass Band for their help with the ceremony this morning. Also a mention to Alex and the Waybourne Traction Group for all of the work that they've done in putting on the rails part of this event. It's been the work of months, and to achieve 13 different locomotives, engines, rail cars running this weekend is a real achievement. So a huge thank you to them. Thanks to the volunteers that help not just at this event but throughout the year. Without literally thousands of volunteers that have helped in the 50 years since the railway reopened, and without them we certainly wouldn't be here today. Thank you very much also to Locomotive Services Limited for loaning us the Class 40, which has just departed on the other train. Again, their support is very welcome and very much appreciated. And also a huge thank you to GB Rail Freight for bringing 66714 Cromer Lifeboat almost back to home, and this brand new Class 69010. So I'm delighted to welcome from GB Rail Freight Intermodal Director Julie Garn. She's responsible for 50 intermodal container trains every day that operate from some of the largest UK ports to depots up and down the country. So we're just saying her commute today and the day that she's having today here at the North Norfolk Railway is a little bit more relaxed than her normal but working environment. So I'm going to hand over to Julie and to our chairman Steve Allen to actually name this locomotive.
Good morning everybody, thanks ever so much for coming along today. On behalf of our CEO John Smith and all at GB Rail Freight, I'd like to say how delighted we are to make history today. It's the first time a GBRf locomotive has been in a heritage railway station, and I have to say just how stunning is this railway station. Real credit to everybody that's involved. I thought I personally have two links today. One, I live in a bungalow called the Poppies, and I understand this is the Poppy railway line, and my dad also started his working career at Ransoms and Rapier, where I understand Mr. Marriott did his apprenticeship. So we are thoroughly thrilled to be here, and over to you.
Okay, thank you Julie. It's a real honour to be able to name this loco today, and thank you to GBRf for making this available to us. It represents the culmination of 50 years of volunteer effort to make this railway what it is. July 1975, the first train steamed out of here with public paying passengers on it. And today we recognise that, and all the thousands of volunteers who put in countless millions of hours to make this railway what it is. I have the honour of pulling back the cord and naming this engine. I've got to do it gently apparently, otherwise I fill the whole thing. Right, there we go.